All right, good morning everyone. Welcome back. Why is that saying that? Video session error. What's that mean? Great. Why is that doing that? Interesting. There we go. All right. Seems to be the theme lately, man. I seem to have a. So there we go. All right. Sorry about that, everyone. I'm always obsessive about starting on time, but streaming software threw me an error there. But we're still here. So welcome, everyone. INVO. Kind of the low float du jour for sure. Low float stock, former runner, has news. Definitely could be a buy-in pre, sell-in pre on that high a day break. As always, you know, the way we look at these is that progression of trade plans. You know, we start out with that early dip and rip, buy-in pre, sell-in pre, roll over to the 933 Oracle signal. Then we can also apply a 945 high a day break, proceed into 2 p.m. and then the day 2 week open red to green, kind of as all those patterns apply to each other. And but definitely top of the list right now, considering the float, 2x float rotation in pre. Beat down chart, a lot of one and dones, but it's kind of the only low floater out there with news. So it's going to be kind of on everybody's radar. Oh, did I do the date wrong? What's the date today? Or did I post it wrong? Man, it's just not my day, is it? It's the 23rd, isn't it? What's today? What date did I put? Oh, I put the wrong link. Man, it's just not my... Off to a great start today. You know, and I often say this. Longtime members know. And I'm not complaining. I love what I do. I love doing these. But the issue is there's like 10 little steps that I have to do for every stream. And, you know, and then today the streaming software was throwing up errors. So then it kind of just sets me off. So best pre-market prep ever. But hey, I'm a one-man show. What do you do? So anyway, the proper note is in Discord right now. So back to INVO, definitely top of the list. Oh, nice. People are shorting it too. Okay, cool. So I see people in other rooms shorting INVO. So obviously it's very early, 8:34 a.m., but top of the list for sure. So INVO, only low floater out there. And I see peeps shorting it. Good sign. Let me get through the notes. AULT, true penny, beat down chart. I'd probably wait for the Oracle signal. LMDX, higher float, but crazy volume on LMDX. You know, 62 million shares traded in pre, buy in pre, sell in pre on this. So anyway, LMDX. Normally, we don't get that excited about stocks with 80 million float, but trading 62 million shares in pre, so definitely one to watch. AULT, LMDX, INVO. Again, to be clear, INVO is number one. It's kind of the only low floater out there, and people are shorting it, so that's what we like to see. So hit me with questions. Oh, I'm not on 1080? Well, again, so sorry if I'm not 1080. I probably missed another step. Not my day. HUBC, I'm here for you. Off to a rough start. Red to green, so. What's the news on INVO? Let me get you the link. I'll put the link in the show notes. So the link on INVO is in the show notes. HARP. Gave back the whole move. Private placement, what did it price at? So let me take a look at this news. So 580, oh yeah. So a pipe at a discount, not exceptional news. WTER. Oh, is that alkaline water? Low float, decent volume. True penny. I'd just wait for the Oracle signal on this. Not my favorite though. AKU. Going private. Nah. High float. Nah. It's another meh. Kind of like WTER and HARP. WLDS. What's up here? Let me check breaking news. So military, 8:30 press release. AI, military, and an Israel play. Interesting. Definitely one to watch. Big spike and fail, but man, talk about checking boxes. So WLDS needs volume, but AI, military, and Israel based. So very light volume, but man, look at that press release. A lot of boxes checked in there for sure. So TPST. Man, this thing's so far from dead. Remember this 2 weeks ago, it was a 17-cent stock. I don't really see anything here. Reassess in the afternoon. Notes are only showing the first line. Yeah, I don't control that, guys. Yeah, it's just not my day. So listen, I don't do anything with Evernote. It should just automatically update. I do go over to everything on screen, so I do apologize, but I don't control anything. It just seems to be the theme. I had problems with the streaming software. I'm not on 1080i. Evernote not updating. Welcome to, trying to do 50 things on my own. So where's my production crew? Where's my production crew? So, all right. Let me jump back. Man, it is kind of quiet for a Monday morning. So INVO's number one as of right now. As of right now, obviously a lot can change before the market open. But listen, you got low float, you got news, former runner, one and done chart for sure, one and done chart. But it's kind of the only low floater out there. And I always get excited when I see people shorting the high a day, you know? So, yeah, again, guys, if Evernote's not refreshing, yelling at me about it, you know, these are, like, you can yell at me. Listen, am I the CEO of Evernote? Am I, like, do I own Evernote? Am I the chief technical officer at Evernote? Like, you can yell at me or we can talk stocks. Like, I don't run Evernote, okay? And you can keep saying the same thing about it not working. And what does that do? Anyway, all right. Nobody wants to talk stocks. Have a great day, my friends. INVO is number one. And we will see you next time.